The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is the 3D printer to beat. Right off the bat, the printing speed is fantastic. The exact max speed is 250 mm/s, making this printer so much faster than many of its peers in this price range. You'll be getting your project done in record time. Trust us. The dual Z-axis feature is another highlight. This thing means you get 2 lead screws instead of 1, which helps prevent the annoying wobbling that can ruin a print. It's like having stabilizers on a bike. It just keeps everything steady. Plus, with sturdy Y-axis linear shafts, the stability and precision are top-notch. And if you dread complicated setups, you'll love the quick assembly feature. In just about 20 minutes, you can move from unboxing to printing, a huge plus for just about anyone really. Changing filaments is a breeze with the auto filament loading and unloading system. No more wrestling with a spool, just tap a button and you're good to go. This ease of use is ideal for beginners and pros alike. The Sprite Direct Extruder is a powerful new addition, adept at handling a range of filaments like PLA, TPU, and PETG. Its lightweight design ensures smooth feeding without jams, which is a relief when you're in the middle of a detailed print. And then the CR Touch Auto Leveling System takes the hassle out of bed leveling. With this, you could just sit back and watch your print succeed without constant manual adjustments. Good stuff. For the listed price, you can't beat this one.